Hey, hi Sarab, how are you?
Hey, hi, Varun. I'm going good.
Welcome to Byte Blaster channel. Okay, so today we will solve one SQL problem. That is SQL that question number is 2153. The number of passenger in each bus. That is a second type of question. Okay, so yeah, let's start. This is a hard problem. I also face couple of issue in this one. Let's see. Interesting question basically. I will explain you. So basically in this one we have two tables. Okay, one is bus, and another one is passenger. In bus table we have bus ID. It will be unique. Uh, what time bus is coming, that is arrival time, and what is the capacity of that particular bus. Okay, this will be again PK primary key, and this will be what time the bus is coming at a particular station. Okay, and how much capacity is here in that bus. Okay, so no two buses will arrive at the same time. All bus capacity will be positive. Okay, so this capacity will not be minus in negative. Okay, and coming to this second table, this is a passenger. It will be another this one primary key, and this is the what time passenger is arriving at is this one on station. They are giving as a lead code station. Can consider normal station. So now bus and passenger arrive at this station. So now they are giving some condition. So bus is arrive at this time is on this time. Passenger arrive this time. Now they are saying passengers should come before that whatever that, like suppose bus is coming 2 o'clock, so it should be like 1:59 or 1:58 or 2 o'clock also was equal to is here. So like this, so we can include that person in that one if the capacity is available. The passenger did not catch any bus. The passenger will use that bus. Leave that sentence. Okay, in addition each bus has a capacity. If at the moment the bus arrive at the station they are more than passenger. Okay, if you go that, okay, if I think I hope so you have used like regular bus. So in station there will be couple of passenger will be there, passenger one, passenger two, passenger three. Okay, so this one bus is coming on 2 o'clock. This person come at 2 o'clock, 1:58, 1:59. Obviously after 2 o'clock this bus will not be there. So if somebody is coming to 2 o'clock, but like for 1 minute, on 1 minute is coming. Okay, so after second bus will come, then he and she can go. Okay, suppose this bus is coming 12:15, like this all the people will be there. 2 to 13. Okay, these people will go in this bus if the capacity is available. Okay, so and these people will go in this bus. So suppose if, if this bus has the capacity of 2 but 3 people are there, so one person should shift to here. Okay, This is obviously no logical if you think. So now if you see this 2% will go in this one because this bus has two people this bus can carry. Okay. This bus can carry four. Right now you can consider four. So all four people will go in this one bus. If suppose in any case if this bus also has a one capacity or maybe two capacity, so based on the capacity that many people will go. Suppose if we consider one people, then only one people will go, so this person will go. Okay, and all three will go to the next bus, to next bus, 202, 13, 215, and new peoples are keep coming, like they are coming. Okay, so 216, this bus will go on 16. Okay, so this all people will go. If this bus capacity is like 10, all people will go. So yeah, so as you can see, if the capacity is okay, if number of people is equal to capacity, so it will go all in whatever the bus is there, no, it will go. If so here if you see number of people will go whatever the number of, if it is a like less, if capacity suppose 100 is there and number of people only 5, so all people will can go, no, in that particular bus. Likewise, if number of people, so in this case if you think suppose number of people is 100, and if you do this one, like if you do this, like also this will condition will also always will be false. So number of people is more than the capacity, so obviously how many people we can send? 5 only, no, 95 people will be in next bus. I hope you got that question.
Yeah, Varun.
Okay, so yeah, let's start how we will do this one. So if you see this thing, this is the bus id 1, and what is the arrival time? Bus id 1 and 2, and capacity is 1. Now if you see how many people we got, these two. Okay, so two two people, number of people, and what time they have arrived, like 1 and 1. Okay, so you see here, compare the time. Okay, so these two peoples can go in this one, no, forget about the capacity right now. If that bus has the capacity of 2, then both people can go. Okay, but since we have one capacity only, so one people will go only. So if you remember, this is the reverse condition. Okay, so number of people, if you are confusing, if you are getting confused, you can number of people capacity. Okay, so see here number of people is 2 and capacity is 1. This is the false condition. So how many people will go? Only one. Okay, so check what is the list here, capacity or number of people. So it should be 1. Okay. So and how many this one remaining people, number of people minus capacity, in this case, okay, 2, sorry 1. Okay, so this one person is remaining. Now coming to second thing, arrival is 4, bus id is 2, you can right now forget it, and capacity is 10. Consider on this 2. 1 minute. Okay, so now if you see here, again there is no people. This 13 number passenger is coming at 5, 14 coming at 6, and 15 is coming at 7. So if you consider, there is no there is no one, there is no person or passenger which come at 4 or less than 4. Okay, so you can consider number of people 0. Okay, and capacity we have 10, but if you remember we have one remaining. So what we should do, 0 plus 1, this is the number of people. You can consider this is a current or maybe next citation, or whatever remaining we will include it and we will compare it with 10. So this is the two condition. So one people we have boarded basically. Okay, in this one, this first two, only one people will go, and we have consumed only one bus, sorry, one seat, and 9 seats are empty. So coming to this thing, yeah, another last bus is bus id, arrival time, and capacity is 2. So here 5, 6, 7, 3 people. Okay. And what is the capacity? 2. So this is again false. So this case will come. Okay. List 3. So 2 comma 3. Here 2 will be go and 1 will be remaining. Okay. And if you consider previously, if you see here, there is no remaining person, so you can consider here 0 also. 3 plus 0, it will come 3, and like this you can compare. I hope that makes sense. You got that question solution?
Yeah, I got that question.
Okay, so how we will approach this question? So basically, in this one, what we can do here, so this one, yeah, so what we can do, suppose this is a bus id and this is the arrival time. Okay, so and if you see, so we will convert this arrival time as a end time, and we will take one start time 0, because if you see, before that there is no bus, or this is the only first bus. So that's why we are giving as a 0. Why we are doing this why we are doing this one? We want to check between this time to this time how many passenger we are getting, including number of passenger. Number of passenger means on particular this time stamp how many people came, okay, and how many people are remaining, okay. So we are basically creating a range. So if I write start time 0, time 2, and capacity, and now bus id 2, start time you can 2, you will write 2 after 2, because if you have gone through, no bus will arrive at the same time, okay. So so we will, like, whatever the ending time we are keeping, we will starting time at the same, okay. So but I will tell you why here we are saying arrival time we will not keep it, okay, but we'll go by answer, then we'll get to know why we are keeping the same, okay. And but what is the ending time? Like, you can consider this end time is the arrival time, okay? Here you are keeping, okay. So if you consider like that, that bus is came on 2 at 2, okay. So this this bus will go at like 2 or 2 in millisecond second it will go, okay. After that another bus will come. So that's why if you consider that way, so we are not overlapping, okay. So and capacity is 10, 3, and here 4 and 7 and 2. Did you got that thing?
Yeah, Varun.
Okay. So this one now, coming to this, so like this is our bus thing. Give me one. So yeah, so yeah, so if you see this one, in between how many like how many actual people or passenger came, okay. So we will count, okay. So if you see this one, where is that? Take this one. So in this one, if you see between 4 to 7 how many people came? 5, 6 and 7, 3 people. We'll write it on. Yeah, number of passenger will be 3. If you uh, compare between this one, okay. So in this one, if you see carefully, we are not including this one, so it should be more than, like, if this is the start time, it should be greater than start time. So whatever more than 4 we will include it here. And but what we are saying, it should be equal to this time, and it should be less than this time, we will include it, okay. So as you can see here, if 4 was there, we will not include it. In this case we will include 5, 6, and since we are including equal to, we will include this one, 3, okay. And now coming to this thing, 2 and 4. So you see how many people are there between these 2 people, okay. But this is not 2 people, actually, my bad, sorry. So they are coming between 1 and 1. So if you carefully see, there is no number of person, like, you see. So that's, if you if you go, I hope you got it, because we just want to see how many people in between this range. If I include, suppose this is the arrival time, I just only take this 4. Okay, 4, how many people are coming, so I will get these two also in this case, and I will take this one and this one, we I will get two more also. Like it is like creating a duplicacy. If you see, that's why we are creating range also. Okay. Now in this one, see, arrival time in this bus is 2, and how many people we are getting, 2. Okay, so let me know if still you are getting, like, till this case, till this step, did you get it? Anything you have
Oh,
noticed?
it's clear, Varun. Up till now, I have understood each and every part.
Okay, so तो इन दिस वन, तो अभी क्या बोल रहा है कि ये जो है, हमको रिजल्ट कैसे चाहिए, बस आईडी असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में चाहिए। तो अभी तुम देखोगे तो यहाँ पे bus id is in ascending, but what will happen if in some of the question they are writing like this, bus id 259, it will be possible, no? Bus id will not be always be the same. So what we need to do here, we need to introduce row number also. Can you tell me what will be the order by, or we will do the this thing, partition by? We will use partition by or not? Just tell me.
Here we need to use order by function. I think so.
Okay, yeah. So, so we will use order by. Can you tell me what will be the order by column?
It will be according to the bus ID.
No, as I have already told, bus ID can be like this, no? And the,
Okay. Then it will be the passengers who are means there who will be sitting in there.
but there is no passenger detail.
Okay. Order by will be using it in the.
If you carefully see, arrival time is the in increasing order. It will be
Yeah.
always. So we'll keep as a order ID as a order by clause as a arrival time. So we'll get this thing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So so why we are doing row numbers? That is the first question we should say. Because if I will do something on the order by or something, okay, it will shuffle. Suppose 356 will come here, okay, and this one. One minute.